Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project remote controlled stereo FM radio with RDS using ESP01, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. With the help of this circuit, you can develop your own FM radio with RDS message display and IR remote control for user-friendly operation. It is an affordable, compact, lightweight, and portable battery-operated radio. The FM radio is capable of driving earphones or speakers with a 32-ohm load. A 5-volt or 3.7-volt power supply is sufficient to drive this circuit. Volume up-down buttons and channel-changing buttons are provided in remote control. The components used to develop this project are an ESP01 module over which code written over Arduino IDE will run. RDA5807M FM stereo module to catch FM channels. 32 ohms earphone or headphone to listen to the music. A 3.5mm stereo audio connector to which you can connect your headphones or speakers. A 3.7V 500mAh lithium-ion battery for power supply. TP4056 charger board to charge the battery. 75 cm length of wire for antenna. An OLED display over which the FM channel running and volume information are displayed. A 38 kHz IR 3.3V remote receiver and IR remote transmitter are used to change the radio channels from remote control. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is our setup. The speakers are connected to the FM radio system. You can hear songs on this radio. Channels are changing via remote control. Interested in developing your own remote-controlled stereo FM radio? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.